the 10 ICT terms. The first term is animations. Is the art of creating the optical illusion of moving pictures. When a set of related images are shown rapidly one after another, people sense them as one continuous motion picture. This is the principle behind all motion images such as video, graphics, and film. The next ICT terms is Android. Android is an open source operating system developed by Google and used by a range of devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android devices usually come with a range of built-in programs called applications or apps, such as a web browser, email, client, calendar, Facebook, maps, and etc. The next ICT terms is collaborative learning. The collaborative learning is an umbrella term for a variety of educational approaches involving joint intellectual effort by students or students and teachers together. Usually, students are working in groups of 2 or more, mutually searching for understanding, solutions, or meaning, or creating a product. The fourth ICT terms is blogging. A blog, which derives from the term weblog, is a website designed to make it easy for users to create entries in chronological order. The entries are then displayed in reverse chronological order or most recent entry first, and are generally archived on a periodic basis. Blogs are mostly used to express opinions on topical events such as sport, music, fashion, or politics. But in the past 3 years, they have emerged as established communication channels for businesses as well as individuals. Microblogging has emerged via a platform such as Twitter, which not only allows users to write 140-character posts and share them with humanity, but also serves as an impressive news and taste-sharing vehicle too, because a blog author or journalist can use it to drive awareness of new posts, articles, and so on. The fifth ICT terms is the desktop computer. A desktop computer is a personal computing device designed to fit on top of a typical office desk. It houses the physical hardware that makes a computer run and connects to input devices such as the monitor, keyboard, and mouse users interact with. Desktop computers are commonly used in the enterprise as well as in consumer use cases such as gaming. In the enterprise, they are important because they are the main means for many users to do their jobs. The sixth ICT terms is the Internet. Internet is a technology of connecting multiple computers together through a network. There are various types of network that combine to make the Internet. Various types of small networks include local area network or LAN, personal area network or PAN, metropolitan area network or MAN, campus area network or CAN, or etc. There is also a wide area network or WAN, which is a larger type of network also known as the Internet. By using Internet, users can send and receive messages over a network. Suppose you want to share a picture of yourself with your friends, then you can simply upload your picture on the Internet and your friends start liking and commenting on the picture. There are plenty of social networking sites on the Internet. Some of the popular social networking sites include Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and WhatsApp. You can create a free account on these sites and start sharing your thoughts over the Internet. The seventh ICT terms is the iOS. The iOS is the primary control program in Apple's iPhone and iPad until 2019, when the iPad began to use of iPad OS. iOS apps are programmed in Objective-C and Swift. All of the current operating system from Apple evolved from Unix, including iOS, iPad OS, and Mac OS. The iOS is best known for serving as underlying software that allows iPhone users to interact with their phones using gestures such as swiping, typing, and pinching. These finger actions are typically performed on multi-touch, capacitive touchscreen displays which provide fast response and accept inputs from the multiple fingers. Although it is not the number one mobile OS globally, iOS dominates the North American market by a large margin, with a 60% market share as of May 2010. The next ICT terms is the Online Discussion Forum. The Online Discussion Forum is an electronic network facilitating active communication and interaction among all students enrolled in the same course. When you post a message to the Online Discussion Forum, the post is immediately available to all other students in the course, allowing students to discuss the week's readings in their free time. A weekly student host directs students to perform certain tasks as outlined in the online course guide. All discussions are facilitated by the course professor who helps to guide the students. The Online Discussion Forum plays an integral part in AU's online programs by facilitating the out-of-class interaction among students necessary for effective exchange of ideas. The Online Discussion Forum ensures that learning and interaction do not end when the class does. What is the importance of Online Discussion Forum? It can help foster a sense of community and encourage peer-to-peer interaction and improve learner engagement. Discussion can take the form of debate or reflective sharing, giving learners the opportunity to expand upon and clarify their understanding of key ideas. The ninth ICT terms is the software. Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspects of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to application scripts and programs that run on a device. It can be thought of as the wearable part of a computer, while hardware is the wearable part. The two main categories of software are application software and system software. An application is software that fulfills a specific need or performance task. System software is designed to run a computer's hardware and provides a platform for application to run on top of. Other types of software include programming software, which provides the programming tools software developers need, middleware, which sits between system software and application, and driver software, which operates computer devices and peripherals. Early software was written for specific computers and sold with the hardware it ran on. In the 1980s, software began to be sold on the floppy disk and later on CDs and DVDs. Today, most software is purchased and directly downloaded over the internet. Software can be found on vendor websites or application service provider websites. The last ICT terms that I can choose is the mobile learning. Mobile learning is defined as a way to access learning resources and content from any mobile device. Learners have access to learning materials and learning support anywhere and anytime, unlike enterprise learning that is office-based. Mobile learning helps with employee training by bringing learning into the flow of work and providing real-time access to learning resources they need to their jobs. So for example, if an employee in the field has a question or need help completing a task, all they have to do is reach for their mobile device to get the answers and assistance they need. Mobile learning, also referred to as M-learning, is a way of accessing learning content through mobile devices. This method empowers learning at the point of the need, enabling users to access content whenever and wherever suits them. The most important element of mobile learning is its focus on the mobility of the learner, giving them the ability to choose when and where they want to access learning means, that they can go at their own pace, increasing engagement and improving knowledge retention. The importance of ICT in education. ICT in education improves engagement and knowledge retention. When ICT is integrated into lessons, students become more engaged in their work. This is because technology provides different opportunities to make it more fun and enjoyable in terms of teaching. The same things in different ways. So that's all. Thank you for watching.